In today's video, I'm going to teach you Quick Guide. Turn on two-step authentication in Shopify. Think of this as a quick security tune-up that keeps hackers out and keeps your payouts safe. Two-step authentication adds a second checkpoint to your login, so even if someone guesses your password, they still can't get in without your one-time code. It's simple, it's fast, and it makes a big difference. Start in your Shopify admin. Look to the top right of the screen and click your initials. From the menu that appears, select Manage Account. This opens your global Shopify ID settings, which control security for every store connected to your identity. Any protection you turn on here will cover all your stores at once, so you only have to set it up a single time. On the left-hand sidebar, click Security. Then scroll down until you see the section labeled Two-Step Authentication. This is where you enable an extra layer of protection on top of your password. Click Turn on Two-Step. When Shopify asks how you want to get your codes, choose an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy. An app is the recommended option because it generates time-based codes on your device, works even without cell service, and avoids the well-known weaknesses of SMS. In short, it's more reliable and more secure. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your app. Open your Authenticator app, add a new account, and scan the QR code shown in Shopify. Your app will immediately start producing 6-digit codes that refresh every 30 seconds. When Shopify asks, type in the current code from your app to confirm everything is linked. If the timer is close to 0, wait for the next fresh code to avoid a mismatch. Next, Shopify will display your recovery codes. These are crucial. They are your lifeline if you ever lose your phone, erase the app, or switch devices unexpectedly. Save them in a safe place right now. The best options are a reputable password manager or a printed copy stored securely. Avoid emailing them to yourself or saving screenshots to the cloud, since those can be compromised. Keep at least one offline copy so you can always get back in. Once your recovery codes are safely stored, click Save. That's it, you're protected. This change applies to your Shopify ID, so it helps secure all your linked stores without any extra configuration. Maximum security, total peace of mind. Your store is now a fortress. Take a minute today to lock things down, and you'll save yourself hours of stress later.